Hi, everybody. Welcome to Unhinged. This is part of my new series on questions I get about crypto from people who are beginners. I have a lot of friends who are not in crypto or they're just starting in crypto, and these are the kind of questions that they get. This one I hear from people usually the first time I tell them that I have a crypto podcast, and I've been in crypto for almost 6 years now. And it's like, oh, then you must be a Bitcoin billionaire. Well, I wish. Maybe if I would have got in when it was less than $100, which I didn't because I was nervous and scared going into it, just like y'all are. And now, after 6 years, I've seen some cycles. I've been through some lows and I've been through some highs. And in the long run, it's all worth it. So I think having that attitude of I'm just going to put $100 in Bitcoin and I'll be a millionaire in 3 months, that's not the way the system works, right? You have to think about your strategy for the long term, right? If you want to be successful. What I see a lot in our show that we have a private show where we talk to people about markets and trends and things like that. On that show, not so much, but not a lot of people, but every once in a while we'll have somebody who's just like, just tell me the coin that I can buy that'll go up, it'll go up 1,000,000% and I'll be rich and retire and never talk to you again. Well, if I knew that, I wouldn't have a podcast. I'd be on some island somewhere and not be in front of the camera at all. Not that I don't love being in front of the camera. Y'all are fun. It's a lot of fun. But that kind of an attitude that you can just do one and done, I think hurts the market overall, the crypto market overall. The way that we're going to build the future with this is by investing long term in these projects. One thing I like to say when I very first got into crypto, I like to think of it as I get to be a mini VC, right? The venture capitalist, right? To me, I can invest in this future technology without having $1 million, like a traditional VC would have. I can fund companies that are just starting out, and if they do good, then I'll do good. Just like when you invest in a startup in technology, you don't know. There's a lot of startups that were given millions and millions of dollars and they failed spectacularly. This is the exact same thing. It's the exact same thing. You're investing in a technology for the future. Do your research. Hopefully you like it and you believe in it, and then you hold on, because the money is made by the longer you stay in the market, not these quick overnight millionaires. They usually end up losing all their money later on. So don't do that. Well, it's good talking to you. Hopefully we'll see you again.